Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving into Falmouth, Jamaica. Falmouth is the capital of the parish of Trelawney, and it's also the main town in Trelawney. It looks like the police hard at work. Not sure what's going on. Okay, so we are on the Northern Coastal Highway and we are driving into the town of Falmouth. Okay, it looks like they want to pull over the trailer. But they don't have any space for the trailer to park. So that was what was going on. Okay, but the trailer eventually pulled to the side of the road. But there was limited space for that long trailer. But looks like the police were out there along with Island Traffic Authority people, so they're probably checking like the trailers and the taxis, though not the white plates, probably the green plates and the red plates, the commercial vehicles, to make sure they are up to code. Alright, so we are going to be driving into Falmouth now. We are on the Northern Coastal Highway in the parish of Trelawney. Falmouth is very popular now because it has the Falmouth cruise ship pier, and that's where you have these cruise ships, Carnival cruise ship, Royal Caribbean cruise ships coming in to Falmouth. And I'm not sure what the largest ship in the world is now, but the largest ship that used to be Oasis of the Seas, it still docks in Falmouth all the time. Very popular location. And then from Falmouth you can get on a tours to go all over the north coast of Jamaica. So this section of the road, the Northern Coastal Highway that we're on now, is actually going to be expanded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. And that will definitely help with the movement of persons in this area and on this road. Now, after the cruise ship pier was opened, Falmouth got a lot of investments. You're going to see a lot of plazas, gas stations, restaurants. There's even a KFC in Falmouth now, and there was none before the pier opened. That kind of investment is there, and when this highway is expanded, it will bring even more investments and opportunities for the towns along the stretch of the highway. The highway is going to be expanded from Montego Bay to Ocho Rios, from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. So the road that we were just on, because we exited to go into Falmouth now, it's going to be 4 lanes. Alright, so Falmouth is one of those old towns was formed probably by the English when Jamaica was a colony of England, probably 400 or 500 years ago. So we are now going on to Main Street, and that will take us into the town. However, there have been a lot of improvements to the town over time, but you're going to see a lot of old buildings with very old kind of architecture. Police officers hard at work. So on the left and the right, you can see there's a lot of space for expansion of the town. Actually, on the right, some construction is going on. Not sure what, but when you look through the bushes, you can see construction. Probably, I'm not sure what it is. Okay. Now, coming up on the left is the Falmouth Market. We're not going to drive through today, but we have lots of videos up of driving through the market. Now, on the right is a road that was put in to get, because the town is so busy, from the cruise ship here to this road that we're on to get back on the highway, a temporary road was built so that when the cruise ship passengers come off, they don't have to drive through the town and waste time to get to, say, Duns River Falls. They just use that back road and head out with no traffic. And we just passed 2 gas stations that were recently built. And when we say recently, it was built after the cruise ship pier opened. Over here now is Champion Plaza, and that's where you're going to find KFC and Pizza Hut and a lot of other stores. This was also done after the cruise ship pier opened. Very popular plaza, does very well because it follows the formula for a successful plaza. We have a lot of videos up of taking a tour of the plaza, so you can check out the channel. It's a Champion Plaza Falmouth. So now we're getting more into the town center now. There's a church on the right. On the left you have a lot of business places, restaurants, bars, barber shop, pharmacy on the left, Juicy Patties on the right, Holes furniture store. A lot of, this is the main town in the parish of Trelawney. Outside of Montego Bay, you have Falmouth as the main town, and then probably St. Anne's Bay is the next major town along the journey. As you can see, a lot of activity, a lot of business, a lot of supermarkets, a lot of retail stores. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.